Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, my students. How are you today? I am fine. Thank you for asking. Alright, are you ready for the class? Yes. Okay, good. Alright, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, thank you. And then now I will check your attendance. Please raise your right hand when I call your name, and then don't forget, say present or I am here. Okay, do you get it? Okay, Ahmad Akbar. Okay. Ahmad Hairi Aspija. Aulia Humaira. Melinda Hardianti. Muhammad Amir Jihadil Akbar. Muhammad Ataimi. Okay. Muhammad Firdaus. Muhammad Ihwatur Raihan. Muhammad Mulkan Iqbal. Nur Anida Zulfa. Muhammad Arta Akbar. Absent. Okay, he is absent today. Alright. Please prepare your notebook and also your pen. Okay, prepare. Alright. Don't forget about our agreements, kesepakatan kelas kita. Please bring your dictionary. Sudah semua dictionary-nya, kamusnya sudah semua minjam? Okay, good job. Alright. Okay, and also your uniform have to be neat. Harus rapi ya semuanya. Sudah rapi semua ya? Okay, good job. Okay, by the way, do you still remember about pronouns? Kata ganti, pronouns, do you still remember? A little bit. Okay, pronoun is kata ganti. Okay, good. Jadi ada subjective pronoun, objective pronoun, dan possessive pronoun ya. Kemarin sudah dipelajari ya. Bisa dibuka lagi kembali catatannya. And also about adjectives and about language figurative, kita sudah membahasnya juga in the last meeting, ya kan? Sudah ya? Alright, so today activities, we are going to have group assignments, kerja kelompok ya, group assignments, and also before we do group assignment, maybe we are gonna have some game, like a game. And then now I will divide you into 3 groups. 3 groups, 3 kelompok ya, 3 kelompok. Okay, group 1, Aulia Humairah, Ahmad Firdaus, and also Muhammad Ihwatur Raihan. Group 1, Aulia, Firdaus, and Ifwa. Okay. Group 2, Melinda Hardianti, and then Muhammad Iqbal, Amir Jihadil Akbar, and then Muhammad Ataimi. Group 2. Ataimi, group 2. Okay. And then the last group, group 3, Noradina Zulfa, Muhammad Hairi Aspija, and then Muhammad Akbar. Okay. Silahkan kumpul ke grupnya masing-masing. Silahkan berdiri dan ke kelompoknya masing-masing ya, silakan. Alright, all members of the group should participate and be active in the assignment. Jadi semua grup kelompoknya harus berpartisipasi dan juga aktif ya, harus aktif. Pokoknya jangan sampai ada yang pasif gitu ya. Alright, everyone in the group must play an active role in group assignment. For example, Aulia can do assignment number 1 and 2, and then Ifwa can do assignment number 3 and 4, and then also Firdaus can do assignment number 5 and 6. For example, walaupun berbagi tugas, you have to discuss your answer, harus didiskusikan gitu. And then the member that understand the question can tell the member that doesn't understand the question. Jadi saling bantu, yang paham memberitahu yang tidak paham gitu ya. Jadi saling bantu, Bun Pian harus diskusi gitu ya. Tolong dibantu teman-temannya. Jadi jangan hanya kita yang paham, tetapi teman kita tidak paham. Okay. Alright. Before I give you the assignment, let's play a game. Okay. Let's play a game. So I give you the numbers from 0 to 9. Oke, bisa dibuka. Paperclipnya bisa dibuka semuanya. Paperclipnya sudah dibuka ya. Oke. Alright. So this is such a stimulus game, like a warming up game. Oke. Ini bisa meningkatkan kemampuan numerik kalian ya. Even we learn about English, but this is masih kayak ada matematikanya, tapi masih dalam bahasa Inggris gitu ya. Jadi tidak masalah gitu. Oke. Oke. So you have to arrange. You have to listen to me, please. My students, listen to me, please. So you have to arrange numbers that I tell to you with the numbers that I give to you. Okay, for example, I say like 19, and then you have to 19 apa? 19 in Indonesia? 19. Okay, good job, like that. Like Iqbal das. Seperti yang dilakukan Iqbal ya. Kelompok Nida, can you understand? Alright. Are you ready? Yeah. Siap-siap ya. Okay. Maybe I will repeat 3 times. I will repeat it 3 times, 3 kali. Nanti kalian harus menyusun nomor-nomornya ya. Oke, siap. Ready? Oke. 380. 380. Once again. 380. Ayo. Aspija. Okay, time is up. Okay. Time is up. Tadi Indonesia apa? Ya, 380. Oke, it's okay. It's okay, Akbar and friends, it's okay ya. Diangkat. You have to raise the answer. You have to raise up the answer. Maksudnya oke, berdiri aja supaya lebih rame, lebih asik. Lebih rame, lebih asik. 572. 572. Semuanya ya, oke. Alright. Okay. The group that can answer correctly is Aulia and friends ya. Yang lain yang lain belum ya. It's okay. Ya, 572 ya. 572 ya. It's okay. Again. Okay, again. Ribuan berarti jangan satu orang aja yang megang. Jangan satu orang aja yang megang ya, ribuan ya. Oke. Sudah siap? 3,479. 3,579. Kalau sudah angkat. Oke, once again. 3,479. Nah. 579. Oke, time is up. All groups can answer correctly the questions. Give applause. Semuanya benar ya? Semuanya benar. 3.479. Oke, good job. Oke, the last. Okay, ready? 1,528. 1,528. 1,528. Ya, sip, betul, correct. You are correct. Oke, sip, tepuk tangan semuanya. Benar ya. Oke, good job. Siap, sudah. Silakan dirapikan lagi nomor-nomornya. I will take the numbers. Nervous. Alright. Where is the paper? Oh, yeah, sorry. So, the game can help you improve your numeric ability ya. Kemampuan numerasinya ya. Bisa bertambah. Kita ingat-ingat lah berhubungan dengan matematik gitu ya. Alright. Now, do you still remember our lesson about descriptive text? Yes. Masih ingat kan? Ya, a little bit. You can open your notebook again, so you can remind the material again. Alright. Okay, my students, if you are asked to describe about your idol or your favorite singer and also your favorite actor, what are the things that can describe about your favorite actor? How? I mean, like how? How do you describe about your favorite actor and your favorite singer? Do you get it? Paham nggak? Oke, simply kayak gini, simpelnya kayak gini. I will ask Aulia. Aulia, do you have favorite actor or favorite singer? Do you have an idol? Punya nggak favorit aktor atau favorite singernya? Ada punya idola nggak? Maybe like Cristiano Ronaldo atau Maudy Ayunda atau misalnya Vin Diesel atau siapa gitu. Punya? Okay. What will you say to describe about him or her? What will you say about her or about him? Binian ya, perempuan. How can you describe about her? Maybe with one sentence or one word. excellent. Okay, good. So you use adjective excellent. Yes, adjective and also adjective pronoun ya. Okay, sip, bagus. Okay, before this we have learned about adjective and also apa namanya? Adjective, kemudian pronouns juga kan kemarin, kemudian figurative language. Oke. Oke. Aulia mendeskripsikan idolanya tentang suaranya ya, tentang suaranya tadi excellent. How about Nida? Can you describe your idol with another adjective? Siapa idolanya dulu? Idolanya siapa dulu? Who is your idol?
Who is she a girl.
Oh, she is a girl and the name?
The name is Go Yun Jung.
Go Yun Jung. Oh, she is an actress from Korea, South Korea. Okay. Give a plus for Aulia and also Nida ya. Okay, Nida, how do you, Nida, listen to me please. How do you describe your idol using adjective?
She pretty.
She is pretty and tall. She is tall. And then?
Cute.
Oh, she is cute. Okay, good. Nida sudah bagus ya penggunaan adjektifnya. Okay. Alright, that is about describing people. How about if we want to describe about place? Place, tempat. Sebelumnya tadi kan people ya, orang. Kalau nya tempat gimana? How about place? What are the differences describing people and also describing place? Sorry. Kira-kira apa perbedaannya? Describing people sama describing place. Apa yang harus ditonjolkan gitu dalam mendeskripsikan dua objek yang berbeda ini? Kalau people berarti apa aja nih yang dideskripsikan? Kalau orang? Physically and also characteristics ya. Ya, physically and also characteristic. How about place? Kalau place gimana? Tempat. Kalau tempat yang dideskripsikan apa? Kalau tempat? Ya, location. Okay, good job. Location. Maybe like visual ya, visualnya. Visual dari tempat itu seperti apa gitu ya. And then apalagi the address ya. Lokasi itu sama dengan addressnya, alamatnya, boleh visualnya. Kemudian apa? Keadaan atau atmosfernya, atmosphere of the place, and then also the function of the place. Misalnya functionnya kan kayak Candi Borobudur kemarin, Borobudur Temple, misalnya untuk apa? Beside sebagai tempat wisata, juga tempat ibadah kan. Kalau sekolah yang dideskripsikan berarti tempatnya fungsinya untuk belajar, misalnya kan aktivitas belajar mengajar. Kemudian apa lagi? Nah seperti itu ya berarti ya. Visualnya, atmosfernya, keadaannya seperti apa, dan juga functionnya ya, itu ya. Oke, my students, don't be afraid to tell about your opinion and also about your feeling while discussing like this. Jadi jangan takut untuk bersuara ya, apa namanya? Mengungkapkan pendapatnya, jangan takut semuanya ya. Oke, I will give you first group worksheet. Ya, worksheet. Don't forget to write down your group and then also the class, the date, and also the score. Just leave it. All right. Okay, so please do the worksheet together and discuss your group answer together. For the first worksheet, look at the portraits below and based on the description of each item, write the name of the person being described. So you have to match the picture or the portrait with the description below. Oke, jadi harus dicocokkan gitu ya. The pictures and the description, ya, the description. Silakan dikerjakan sekarang. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Kalau ada pertanyaan, silakan tanyakan. Ya. You can open your dictionary. Don't open your phone, but please use your own dictionary and don't forget to discuss with your friend. Okay. Minutes from now, ya. Ini apa? Ada
Keriting, curly keriting.
kritik, ya, keriting.
Got glasses and smell intense.
Sudah dapatkah yang number 1?
Yes.
You can write down your answer here. Ya, write down. Oke. Grup berapa tadi? 3. Yes, group 3.
Kirimnya apa?
Ya, oke. Sudah, ya, good job. Bagus ya. Right, how about Aulia and friends? Oke, already done. Yes. Oke. Remember, my students, you have to help your friends if he or she doesn't understand the questions. Ataimi and friends, please attention. Alright, so in the second assignment, you have to find the right pronouns or possessive adjectives to complete the sentences below. Jadi kalian harus temukan kata ganti gitu ya, yang cocok untuk kalimat yang ada di bawah ini ya, the following sentences. Okay, for example, number one, you can choose subjective pronoun which is I ya. I am going to the store ya. Nah, and then the next number 2 until 20. Silakan jawab. Ya, silakan dimulai dari sekarang. You can open your notebook. Your notebook, please open your notebook to remember the material. Please open your notebook and also, of course, your dictionary to find out the answer. Kemarin kan ada subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjective sama possessive pronoun kan? Nah, silakan dibuka catatannya. Catatannya tolong dibuka ya. Nah.
Jadi ini terus apa? They enjoy. Kalau pakai al.
Ya.
Kayak lagi. She loves her.
Yap, yap, Bu.
Betul ya, number 5. When you have to
And
find out the meaning.
kalau
Dia apa sih? Kalau yang we berarti yang mana? I am going to my friend's house, but this is use we. Check the table. We for possessive adjective is to our friend's house. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Tell to your friend, Ida.
kayaknya ya. Demi.
Okay, 8 minutes left for the second worksheet. 8 menit lagi untuk ya menjawab lembar kerja kedua, the second worksheet. Kalau tidak paham, tanya temennya yang paham supaya sama-sama belajar. Alright, let's move to the third worksheet. Okay, so in this worksheet, you have to identify and analyze adjectives. Okay, I will give you the worksheet, the third worksheet. This is about adjectives. Again, adjectives. Okay. So you have to identify and analyze the adjectives in the worksheet. Please discuss your answer together again, and if your member group doesn't understand, please help him or her. For part A, you have to circle the adjectives. Jadi dilingkari ya adjectives-nya. And then for part B, fill the blanks with the adjectives you like. Nah, ini kalau untuk yang part B, pilih aja kata sifat yang kalian sukai apa. For example, number 1 itu I'm watching a romance movie misalnya, atau apa with my friends gitu. Terserah aja, pokoknya adjectives yang kalian sukai apa silakan ditulis di sana. Kalau udah bahasa Inggrisnya kan verb, kata kerja. Ini reading.
Ibu.
Beda, suka menyukai loh, menyukai itu kata kerja. I like you, I love it. Itu reading itu masih gerund. Jadi yang mengikuti kata kerjanya gerund, membaca. Saya suka membaca. Nah,
Ini yang bujur, ini yang salah.
iya, nah, kan tahu sudah. Dicek lagi. Bantu temannya ya. Sama-sama sini nah nih apa cari yang mana yang kata sifat. Rian yang ini, Ataimi ini, Iqbal yang ini. Supaya sama-sama yang mana kira-kira yang kata sifat. Cari ya. Sudah ya? Okay, please submit your assignment in front of the class on the table here. If you ya kumpul, collect. Please collect your assignment here. Okay, thank you. Nah. Yes. Thank you. Please, my students, perhatiannya, please. Okay. So you already answer and also of course discuss about worksheets that I given to you. It is about match the pictures and then match the picture and the description. The first, yes, adjective kan tadi, adjective, and then also pronouns, and of course the last worksheet is about figurative language, ya kan? Figurative language, it is all about descriptive text, ya. Sudah semuanya. Nanti saya cek kembali tugas-tugasnya. Do you have any difficulties while answering the questions or assignment? Ada kesulitan? Ada ya kesulitannya? Maybe the difficulties is about you don't know the meaning of the sentences or the meaning of the word gitu ya. Itulah gunanya kalian membawa kamus, so you can find out the meaning of the word. Okay, alright. Because you are done and time is also almost up, let's make a reflection about our meeting today. Refleksi dulu ya. So what have we learned today? What have we done today? Apa yang kita pelajari hari ini? Tentang descriptive text, especially about, khususnya tentang pronouns, adjective, possessive-nya ya, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun, and also figurative language. Figurative language ada simile, metaphor, yes, personification, hyperbole, yes, hyperbole, and then imagery, and one alliteration. Okay, good job. And then also we also had a game tadi kan, ada game. So the game can improve our numeracy ability, ya. Kemampuan numerasi kita juga kan tadi. Oke, tadi ada juga literasinya, kalian juga membaca soal-soal ya. Oke, sip, good job. Halo group 3, attention please my students. Alright, so next week we are going to you are going to exam, and also maybe you're going to write a descriptive text. That's up to you. You can choose the object, whether it is a people or also the place. That's up to you. Okay, for the next week. All right. So time is up. Time is up. Before we close our meeting today, I would like to say thank you so much for your attention and also your participation. Terima kasih untuk perhatiannya dan juga partisipasinya hari ini. And I would like to say I'm sorry if I made a mistake. Ya, maaf gitu ya kalau ada salah. And then let's close our meeting today by saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, silakan dirapikan mejanya lagi.